guys, welcome back. I'm Shadee with Pure Shade, and I stopped in the YG Urban Cafe located in Atlanta, Georgia. As you can see, they have seating outside. They're also a wellness center, so they offer a variety of services and classes. I am loving the soulful vibe and decor. Here's their menu. You order on the kiosk. They also offer plant water. You can purchase some of their merchandise or apparel or membership for their co-working space with discounts and perks. They even offer their space for private venue rentals, so you can definitely check out those other services they provide. My food is ready. I got the breakfast burrito and the jackfruit burger with rosemary fries. So let's get into it first with that breakfast burrito. Here's how it looks. And now for that first bite. And y'all, the flavors, the sauce, it was so delicious. Has a little spice. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's got to be the best breakfast burrito I've ever had. Absolutely phenomenal. I couldn't get over the immense flavors that burrito had. I'm telling y'all, you gotta try that right there. I'm telling you. And now for that jackfruit burger, I took that bite and y'all, it was so juicy, saucy, and flavorful. Y'all see, I had to take another bite. It was so good. It has a little spicy taste to it. I think that's from the sauce, but it was absolutely amazing. And now for the rosemary fries, I dipped it in their sauce and took that first bite, y'all. Whatever that sauce is right there, it is so good. Y'all see me keep eating and taking another bite. Anyways, they get a 10 out of 10. So yeah, definitely try them out if you haven't been. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.